we are waiting for our Rapido now. This beautiful place we are going today. It's weekend and this event is happening, so it's a double bonus. I reached.
Do we have you here or is he arranging something?
Hello everyone. It's quiet. Yeah. They are not letting us film.
Thank you.
We got a refreshment. It's going nice. I'm sipping on it. Okay, hi. We are just eating. अभी थोड़ी देर में हमें लंच ब्रेक मिला है, फिर उसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, वापस से कुछ तो सेशन है एंड फिर उसके बाद फाइनली हम लोग चले जाएंगे. एंड आई मेड अ फ्रेंड. हाय. हेलो. या एंड वन मोर फ्रेंड. हेलो. यस. So we all are eating here and we'll go back in half an hour. So see you soon, Mama.
She was just randomly talking about how she can grow her business, right, which is pretty local at the moment. And she started telling me, "Beta, मैं सोच रही हूँ website बना लूँ." और
Whereas we can skip to the next slide. Okay, so I just put this slide for context. I want you to see how a data set looks like. How
Corridors. The event ends here. अभी घर जा रही हूँ मम्मी. It was nice. Everyone is here. Chaos. Bye bye. Done with the event. I'm going back home. These are the streets, quiet and nice. It was good. Everyone was great. Classic Bangalore traffic. Roads here. It's a jumping track. See, you can see it. We reached home. It was a good day, a busy day. The event was supposed to be from 11 to 2, but it got extended till 5. It's 5 p.m. right now. I really met good people and we successfully completed our first solo day trip. Like, I did not know anyone there. I spoke, I made friends, I made connections. That's what you call in corporate. And yeah, everyone was graceful. You know, it's not like they're as scary as you think. They're just normal human too. They were explaining out, you know, just try showing up. You came here, that's a big achievement in itself too. And people I talk to, I'll explain it more in detail once I reach home. We are back inside at the pavilion. Where do I keep it? I think I'm visible now. So this is how I look. Yeah. The scarf helps a lot. And Bangalore traffic, by God. Those who are able to make through it are great. I used to think I know how to drive and how to ride scooty and bike. But bro, if you're coming here, if you learn once to drive in Bangalore traffic, you can drive anywhere in the world. So I am still at the elementary level, adult toddler. I'll get changed. And I got this little swag too, wherein I spoke, so I asked questions which were relevant. I got a t-shirt and a sticker. I'll show you. This is the bag. This is non-stop bag. The shirt is cute. Let's unbox it. Oh, it's hot. We'll try to make it easier. But I'm visible. Yes, I am. It was a nice day, so when I went in the morning, my Uber came late, so it's okay. We were still figuring out where the route is, and when we reached, there was a highway, okay, and one way was downstairs. So neither did I know and neither the driver. He was asking me, "Ma'am, do you know if we should take the bridge or not?" I was like, "Go for the bridge. It seems easier and closer." But when we took it, it took us 10 minutes more to reach. So that was a classic case. Yeah, this is the show. What is written? Vibes, then verify. Vibe, then verify. Vibe and then verify. And it's from Sonar. This thing. They were the organizers and sponsors. They do amazing stuff. I met people. One was human calculator. Like his name was Arush. He could calculate things. He got a US patent and everything. So that was like overachiever kind of vibe. Then there was someone from PhonePe. He was explaining about fintech, infra money. I heard the term for the first time. So that was one new thing. And finally, me. So I met one lady who was old, but she was on her notice period and talking about things. She was like, okay, that's great. You've been a young woman and coming here alone, meeting new people. And that felt like home, because when you're away from home, people like these blossoms and make your day better. Well, that's for now. Bye-bye.